So let me come straight to the point. There is a need for me to lose weight again, right? As you can see. This time I'm going to try 2-3 new things, right? Apart from the regular high protein, low carb exercise and all those things, intermittent fasting and all. इस टाइम मैं कुछ चीजें अलग करने वाला हूं, ओके? Because okay, first of all, what is the objective this time? The objective is not to go from fat to fit. The objective is to go from fat to permanent fit. Okay, the objective is to break out of this fat to fit cycle जिसमें unfortunately I am like फंसा हुआ हूँ मैं उसमें, ठीक है? That is the end objective. I don't care कि मैं 70 पे पहुंचूं या 65 किलो पे पहुंचूं. The goal is from fat get to permanent fit, break out of the cycle. So some of the changes that I'm going to do this time is like, this time I'm not going to be concerned about body weight, ठीक है? मैं कोई ये नहीं कह रहा that oh I have a goal that I'm going to reach 70 kgs in 2 months or 3 months. That's not going to be a goal. This time the goal is going to be body fat focused, okay? Focused on body fat. And the tool that I'll be using for it is this. You know what this is? This is called a caliper. You know, it is used to measure body fat. This is going to be my go-to use this time. Okay, मतलब body weight भी नापूंगा, but main focus will be on body fat. I'm not concerned with 75 kgs or 70 kgs or 65 kgs or any of those things. The second new thing which I'm going to do this time will be that I will be practicing affirmations for weight loss. Yes, you heard me correct. Affirmations for weight loss. That's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, you can call it the secret law of attraction, whatever you want to call it, but I'm going to use affirmations in order to break out of this fat to fit cycle that I have unfortunately become engulfed in. And you know what? I will tell you one thing. There is one mistake which I have done in both the last two fat to fit transformations. Do you know what that mistake was? Do you know what it was? दोनों टाइम द गोल और द ऑब्जेक्टिव दैट आई हैड सेट वाज कि 70 केजीज तक पहुंचना है, ठीक है? यू रीच्ड 70 केजीज, यू रीच द गोल. व्हाट नेक्स्ट? आप चढ़ गए. योर गोल वाज टू क्लाइंब माउंट एवरेस्ट, आप चढ़ गए माउंट एवरेस्ट पे. उसके बाद क्या? वंस यू हैव अचीव्ड अ गोल, you should actually set up another goal. That is my biggest learning, right? You achieve a goal, उसके बाद you just cannot sit back and relax कि हाँ भाई हो गया, हमने तो कर लिया जो प्रॉमिस किया था, now I'm done. A very I think costly mistake that I did. I should have set another goal, probably कि चलो अब 70 kgs हो गया, now let's try to go for a 6-pack abs or let's try to go for a 10% body fat or anything of that sort. So I think that was a very crucial mistake that I did. That goal to achieve हो गया, but I did not set up another goal. And now if you know anything about the human mind, if you do not give your mind a goal, to achieve, what will happen is that आपके जो ingrained habits हैं, the habits that you have practiced for like many decades, many years, slowly and surely those habits will again take over and they will take you back to the original state. अब लाइक मेरी बहुत पुरानी हैबिट्स हैं कि हाँ यार ओवर ईटिंग होती है, जंक फूड का शौकीन हो, यू लाइक बर्गर्स, पास्ता, बर्गर्स, पिज़्ज़ा एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स, एंड you never say no to food or dessert. I have a sweet tooth also. So when I'm in that weight loss phase, I am able to control this nature of mine. I'm completely in control of it. But once I have reached the goal, I let go. And the reason I let go is because I did not set up another new goal. So that was a very crucial mistake. तो इस बार ऐसा नहीं होने दूंगा. In fact, in summary, I just want to say one thing. This time the objective is, the goal is from fat to permanent fit. Okay, that's the underlined word, permanent. It is finally time to break out of this fat to fit cycle. And guess who is going to be with me in this journey? You. You are going to be with me. I am going to take you with me, whether you like it or not. And before I go, I have to say this one thing for someone. क्या बात है जोशी जी, जिसके लिए बोला है, they know what I am talking about. So that's all for the day. I will see you guys soon. Thank you for watching the video. Au revoir, a bientôt, sayonara, das vidania. Namaste.